According to the CDC, the U.S. is seeing record-breaking flu-like illnesses, and the Maryland Department of Health is urging Marylanders over 6 to protect themselves with the flu shot, especially now as students are returning to the classroom. The CDC estimates there have been at least 11 million illnesses, over 120,000 hospitalizations, and 5,000 deaths from the flu season so far.
Definitely seeing increased intensity of flu across the board, across the nation, and certainly in Maryland.
Since September of 2025, 7 people have died of the flu in Maryland, and more than 1,900 people tested positive for the virus and were hospitalized. Here's a graph WMAR showed you December 30th of the flu activity nationwide. This is the same graph a week later. Although activity levels decreased in Maryland, it is still high. Monday was the first day back to school for students all over the state, and experts from Johns Hopkins Children's Center say it's not too late to get the vaccine. In fact, they highly recommend it.
The flu vaccine is very effective in preventing severe disease and also preventing these hospitalizations and terrible outcomes like death in children and in adult patients. The vaccine is mismatched this year in that the most common strain has had some genetic mutation. You might have heard of the subclade K. However, it is still effective in providing some cross immunity and reducing those very severe infections and hospitalizations.
In addition to families getting the vaccine, parents should teach their students to practice healthy habits like washing their hands with soap, covering their coughs or sneezes with their sleeves or tissue, and avoiding close contact with sick people. Experts also say if you contract the flu before getting the vaccination, no matter the strain, getting the vaccine can still help lessen the impact of the infection.
The flu is going to be around for many months, so we're seeing the intensity rise now, but we don't know when the peak is going to happen, and we're going to see flu linger for a while. We'll also see other strains of flu become more prominent as the season goes.
Local health departments are offering free vaccines, including flu shots to adults who are uninsured or facing high deductible or copays. Check WMAR 2 News for more information about vaccinations. Janae Wright, WMAR 2 News.